Hey guys, we are on high stakes. Let's see what we can do to set the nom.
Fix the bet.
We're gonna start at 5 and work our bet up. We'll see how it goes, and then we'll move it up if we feel the need to. All right, $5 bet, 10-cent the nom. We need 6 chips, 3 briefcases. Our goal is always to get the grand, but we'll take anything. Three more.
We're going up.
Going to $7.50 a bet.
Oh, one more.
All right, there's something. Increasing the bet is a bet multiplier. We're at 750 at times 3. The multipliers on the bet. All right, $25.50. Oh, we're in the briefcase bonus. And you know how much I love gold anyway, you guys. It's the only gold I get to see and enjoy is playing a slot machine. I'm letting it out. $15 to start. Here we go, 6 games. We need a chip in the middle. There we go, $75 chip.
I'm letting you do it because
All right.
I'm not going to reach across. So.
All right, guys, we need a chip. Let's do the chips. We need another chip. Chip, please. Final spin. Might I please have a chip? That's a prime example. Never say please.
Yeah, it's better than nothing.
Yeah.
That was only the first spin.
Yep. We got 5 more spins, I believe. Yep. 5 more spins to go. All right, here we go. Oh, we can get a briefcase in the middle. Oh, I see it go by. Oh, cars, nothing. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. 2 more games to go. How about a chip on the last one? Chip. Oh, it just went by.
Cards.
Are you guys doing something for YouTube?
Yes.
Nice. I watch YouTube stuff all the time. What's your name?
P&S Slots.
What is it?
P&S Slots.
I've probably seen it before because I watch it all the time. I'm like, the slot things on there all the time.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. My name's Frank.
Oh, nice meeting you, Frank.
I'm Sue and this is Pat.
Oh, Pat. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I thought I'd just try $20 here to see what happened. I
Oh, win big. Win big.
No, you know what? I usually go gamble first and then eat. I said, I'm going to eat first today. Maybe it'll change my luck.
Yeah.
I'm going to get killed here. A few times I've come. I mean, absolutely killed. So, hope you get something big.
141.10.
Get
Yeah.
something big.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You get something big too.
Oh, man. Let's see. I just want to. It'd be nice to hit that major.
Yeah.
Aaron's got a bonus.
It's been hard today for us.
Yeah.
We're going here.
Going $12.50 a bet, you guys. Oh, and Susan got it at $12.50 a bet.
There you go.
First spin.
Good.
No?
Yes.
Oh.
Nice.
All right, guys. $25 start.
Chip.
Oh, we got more games.
Take the retrigger.
Yes, I believe it's 3 more games.
Yes, it is.
Oh, retrigger? Is that retrigger?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. All right.
We need a chip.
We got $12.54, the scattered win of the retrigger. All right.
Chip. Come on, chip. Oh. Chip.
Oh, another briefcase.
We'll
Holy
take it.
smokes.
Nice.
Here we go. Man. Chair.
Would you like the
Oh
chair?
no, that's okay. Thank you though.
All right, guys, let's see what happens.
Come on, chip, chip, chip.
All right, wild
Okay.
card. All right.
Every little bit helps.
First wheel, one.
I got it. See you guys later. Have a good day.
You
Nice
too.
meeting you guys.
Nice
Nice
meeting
to
you.
meet you.
All right. And she got the chip and she didn't even say it. Okay, cool.
That's
Good
why
luck.
I said, because I was hoping.
Good luck.
Chip, please. Come on. Anywhere. Thank you. No, you do it. Chip, please. Anywhere. We're fine. Final spin. Can I please have a chip anywhere? Thank you.
Chip, please. All right, well, are you going to do it?
Chip, please. Anywhere. Save me.
Final spin, my please. Have a chip.
Anywhere. Anywhere. Thank you. Chip, please. Anywhere. Anywhere.
Chip, please.
Anywhere. Save us. Final spin. May I please have a chip anywhere? Nope.
All right.
We still have 7 games.
Yep, 7 games to go, guys. $175 on that chip bonus. $12.50 bet, 10 cents and off. All right, let's see what else happens.
We'll have another chip, please. Or a briefcase.
Again. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, guys. Wow.
Chip, please. Anywhere. Anywhere. Anyone. Thank you.
Chip, please.
Anywhere. Thank you. Chip, please. Anywhere. Anywhere.
Chip, please.
Anywhere. Save us. Final spin. May I please have a chip anywhere? Thank you.
Chip, please.
Anywhere. Save us. Oh, that's even better.
Wow.
Chip,
Okay.
please. Anywhere. Anywhere. Save us.
Big or little numbers, just fill these 2 spots, you guys.
Chip, please. Come on, do it. Final spin. May we please have a chip anywhere?
Just one.
Just one.
Nope. All right, cool. Let's see how much this is.
It's good.
Big numbers follow big numbers.
We still have 5 spins.
Yep. 5 spins to go, guys.
Nice job.
$1,112.50 bonus.
You know what that means, don't you? Look at the total, what the total's gonna
I don't
You
know.
have to pay
be. They're
taxes.
gonna, no,
Well, it depends if they reset the machines at 2,000, you know?
no, they just gotta come and pay us out.
Yeah. If it's not reset.
But we still have 5 games, so.
All right. Let's see where we're at. Okay, 1,400. Again. I got it this time. Here's a chip, lady.
Okay, here we go.
All
Chip,
right.
please, anywhere, anyone will do. Thank you.
All right, another mini. Chip, please.
Anywhere, anywhere. Chip, please, anywhere. Save us.
Oh, the
I
major's
saw
rolling
that.
around there. Last final spin, may I please have a chip? Keep us going. Keep us going. Keep us going. Nope, that's all right.
That's all right. 4 games.
Save right here.
And we got 4 games left.
I know we got 4 games.
I didn't get it.
Let's do it. Almost a briefcase again.
Come on. No,
Final spin.
no, there's
Almost.
one more.
All right,
Okay.
something. Let's line it up. All right, we got the wild card with queens. So we got
Queens and
cards all the way down.
way.
A couple
More
different
than
ways.
once. Cards are more than one.
All right, so let's see where it's at. Get ready for the last spin, guys. Here we go. 187.50 on that line hit. And nothing. 1,822.50 on that bonus.
Let's see what it does. It's going to tell us we got to.
We need and let's go to 3,800.
38. Wow.
We'll go to
so
3,800. 12.50 bet. That won't take long. Couple more spins, guys. Last spin.
My dad is for the bathroom.
I guess 12.50 was the right bet.
Where did we start? So, guys, we have to wait for our money. We didn't go over the $2,000 threshold, but they have to pay us out because they haven't set this machine up for that. We'll be right back.
Got it regardless.
Okay, great.
So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3,000, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 38, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Like, subscribe. We love you all. We'll see you on the next one. And have a beautiful day.